Hello all, welcome to my video where I try to show you how to show you what the difference between doing something with the subsolver and without it. Okay, here I have two geo-nodes that both create different create two cubes and in the both nodes I try to do something, I try to affect the both u coordinate to rise the boxes upwards. In the without subsolver node I do it like this. I try to take tell the new box I coordinate, u coordinate is the previous u coordinate plus something, and this will rise this up. But if I try to do it in every frame, it doesn't work like that, as you see, because the geo-node doesn't keep track the previous attributes and or values about anything. But here I have created almost the same thing with the different color, of course, but created solver node. The previous frame node gives me, and you hopefully, attributes, content, and basically everything regarding the previous frame. So in here you can use the same, almost same attribute or the point Frankel attribute Frankel node to say I want the new u value to be the previous u value plus 0.01. Here it really works. In this level it doesn't work, but I don't know why, but when you come to the sub level it works like this. And this is very good to know and useful if you want to do something. I can imagine in simulations I like to take an object, move it somewhere and act or do something with the new coordinate or the position values, and do the same thing again at the third frame. Yeah, I'm not sure how could you or can you do it without the subsolver. I'm sure there are some other ways, but the subsolver make it very efficient and easy to do and understand. Thank you for watching my video about this. Good night.